In a cozy little house on a bright sunny day lived Tom the cat and Jerry who'd play. Tom was tall with a whisker so neat. Jerry was tiny with quick little feet. Tom loved naps on a soft blue chair. Jerry loved cheese kept under the stair. But quiet moments would never last long. Soon they'd be racing with a bang and a bong. Tiptoe, tiptoe, Jerry would sneak, looking for cheese with a tiny squeak. Sniffing and searching left and right, making sure Tom was nowhere in sight. But Tom one eye would slowly open, pretending to sleep, barely even hoping. With a swish of his tail and a wiggle of nose, he'd jump up fast. Got you, he chose. Zoom through the kitchen, under the table, crash when a chair, oh what a fable. Pots and pans would rattle and ring, like they were part of the chasey thing. Jerry would laugh, "You're too slow, Tom." Tom would trip over a jar of jam, slip and slide on the shiny floor, then bump his head on the cupboard door. Out in the garden, over the fence, Tom jumped high but lost his sense. Jerry zipped through flowers so bright, hiding behind a rose so tight. Splash in the pond, Tom fell in. Jerry giggled with a happy grin. Water dripped from Tom's wet fur. He shook and splashed, what a blur. But sometimes when the day grew long and nothing seemed to go quite wrong, they'd sit together under the moon, quiet and calm in the night so soon. Jerry would nibble a crumb of bread. Tom would rest his sleepy head. No more chasing, no more race, just soft moonlight and peaceful space. For though they chase and fuss and run, their silly battles are all in fun. Deep inside, as stories tell, they know each other very well. So if you hear a crash or a bang, or see a cat with a mouse that sang, just smile wide, it's plain to see it's Tom and Jerry's comedy. The end, or maybe not quite yet. Tomorrow brings another set of zooming feet and triumphant cheer, for Tom and Jerry live right here.